Riu Amemba mirongo eeri na eeri ni moete mwihitwa igoti-ini itogeru gutigirira mathina maria magumagira borithi gwata arangiri a njera ni matangikirwo mubango-ini uria President William Ruto eranire thutha wa kwihitithio.
Chief Justice retired David Maraga.
Ya Kamiti ino ihitithitio igoti-ini itogeru ikiro kia mwanya na CS wa gitiri Kithure Kindiki nigitafanirio rucini rwa umuthi mucirithania munene wa tene David Maraga akiranira kuruta wira kihinyo.
Chief Justice is under very tight schedule.
Hari maria Kamiti ino itanyitwo kuhinyia ni mishara ya maabitha a borithi kuhaicio ngathi ki mathomo na miaka ya utungata miikariro na mathina ma meciria kuona ruhonge runi rukoretwo rukigomirwo ni ciiko cia njuragano. Kiraniro ota giki ni kiaheanirwo ni Inspector munene wa borithi David Koome uria wetikirie ati kuna miikarire ya borithi kiwira ona kimeciria ni mitiganirie.
More importantly, we also look forward to hearing from the Kenyan public and other stakeholders regarding the police and prison services and the reforms that are outlined in the Gazette notice.
Muikarigiti wa Kamiti ino David Maraga augite riboti cia hau kabere ciigie mendekithia mogaruruku-ini ma ruhonge rwa borithi nicio ikumurikwo gutigirira mogaruruku maria matari mahinga ni mahingio.
We are aware of the amount of work that has been done in this area and we are not going to reinvent the wheel. Instead, what we are going to do is to review those reports and take up whatever recommendations that have not been implemented and harmonize them.
Indeed, our criminal justice sector cannot function effectively when our men and women in the police service and prison service are not motivated and enabled with a conducive environment that will enable them to discharge their mandate.
I, Dr. George
Ihindini uriu Amemba na Kamiti ya ugai wa kigina CRA nimehitithitio ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome othe magitanywo gutungata kwa ihinda ria miaka 6. Amwe ya aria mehitithitio gutungata kamiti-ini ino ni uria urari mubunge mutumia wa Wajir Fatuma Gedi, muru wa nyina na senator wa Narok Wilfred Koitamet Olekina na George Jalango Midiwo gatagati ka angi. Muikarigiti wa Kamiti ino Jane Kiringai akiuria Amemba ya maigiririke wira-ini wao kuna thiriti ya thirikari nene na cia county ugai-ini wa kigina kaingi na kaingi ni gucagiriria uteti.
So the relationship you'll have to craft with the National Treasury, which incidentally is a member of the commission, is going to be important. So by that order, the National Treasury, the two houses of Parliament, but you have other very critical stakeholders, the Council of Governors. And this is one area that's also going to be very important. The Council of Governors don't have the mandate to share revenues. They are a recipient. But their views are also going to count a lot.
In your hands lies the protection and realization of one of the most transformative features of our 2010 Constitution to ensure that there is equitable allocation of resources to our devolved government, which is at the center of the promise of the transformation of our nation.
Gigatiba CRA hetwo igiriki wa gutara bunge uria thirikari nene cia county rigayanaga mahuthiro macio gwata mutaratara uria urihuthikaga ugai-ini wa kigina na mahuthiro ma thirikari. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.